All right, guys. So when it comes to sciatica type pain with our patients, we're going to look at everything. So one of the services you get in our office is massage therapy. So Jose's our massage therapist. You get to see him once a week when you work with us and you're going through your care plan. And here's one of the reasons, right? We're going to look, especially with sciatica. We know it's a nerve issue. We know it's stemming from the low back. So the chiropractic and the PT are going to be huge. We got to move the bony structure, take pressure off the nerve, but all of the muscles connect into that spine that can be contributing to the sciatica type pain. So obviously you go through the PT, you get to see Jose. One of the things he's going to do is, depending on the patient, you can see he started with his hands, nice light, start working, getting blood flow into the area. And then he's going to use a massage gun. And he doesn't do all of these things every time he sees the patients, but it kind of depends on what the patient needs that day and how they're feeling. So the massage gun, he can kind of put in and get a little more specific with spots. He's going to work everything from that low back into the glute, over that piriformis muscle. And remember, that sciatic nerve runs right under the piriformis muscle, so we got to get that released. And then even down into the hamstrings, because as you guys know here, the sciatic nerve starts in that low back and it's running all the way down into the toes. So massage gun is one of the things he can use. The other thing he's going to do is a little bit of scraping. So this is more myofascial type work. So with scraping, you're going to see as he starts to do this on the patient, their back does get red pretty quickly. And that's kind of what we're looking for. You should never turn like crazy bruised, crazy purple, anything like that. But the skin does get irritated. So the reason he's doing this is it's working through that fascia, working through all the layers of the muscle, breaking things up. It's going to irritate the skin and the fascia, which helps bring blood to the area. That's why you're seeing that redness already starting on the patient's back. And again, it's going to promote the healing process. We've got to work with that soft tissue around the spine, around that sciatic nerve, to get that patient to feel better quicker. At the end of the day, guys, it's about getting results. And that's what we base our care off of. We got to do what we can to help you guys feel better fast. So one of the last things he's going to do is what's called the boomstick or the pizza roller, depending on how diabolical you want to go with it. Essentially what it is, you can see it's a big weighted stick, weighs about 30 pounds. The nice part about this is he doesn't have to put a bunch of pressure on it. He can kind of go along with the patient and what they can tolerate. So he's going to roll it up and down the muscles, just essentially massaging with a weighted stick. And it looks like it might hurt, but it feels amazing as he works through that. And again, it's going to be to your tolerance. If a patient's really flared up, really in a lot of pain, he's not going to use this thing on you right away, right? He's going to make sure he evaluates and we do it the right way. So he'll work all the way down hamstrings, glutes, low back. And then once he knows that you can handle it and he has to go a little bit deeper, he can even switch it up. And now he's just going to use the end of the stick. And usually he'll do this into the glutes or the hamstring. He's just going to find those pressure points, hold there with the stick, let the weight of the stick fall into the glute to really help release that muscle. So again, guys, it's all about looking at everything, getting you guys better. It's the reason we get the results that we get, because we're looking at that whole body. So make sure you guys give us a call, look at that number below, schedule that evaluation, and let's see how we can help you.